Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be having a look at how to put a white outline around a transparent image so as it looks a lot like this. Okay, now before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing? After all, sharing is caring. Alright guys, let's head on over and check it out now. Alright, now in this part of the video, we're going to be looking at grabbing this particular image here. It's pretty cool. It's a bit of a funky image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this particular tool right here, which is called Fast Stone Capture, and it's $20 for a lifetime license. So I'm going to grab that. I think it's $19.95, close enough to $20. And I'm going to click on that, click it over here, and I'm going to just capture this image right here, being sure I stay within those gray lines. If you look at the top left-hand corner, you can see what it's doing there. I'm going to go just inside those top left-hand corners so as we don't have any grey marks there. I'm going to hit save. I might save that to my desktop, and I'm going to call that one Crazy Hands. That'll do it. And I'm going to hit save. Now next thing we need to do is we need to go over to this site here. Now this one's called remove.bg. Now if you go to remove.bg/upload, you'll be able to get it. I'll leave the link down in the description down below. Okay, so all we need to do now is click on upload image. Now this is completely free, this site, by the way. Now I'm going to go down here to where it says Crazy Hands, which is just here. Double click on that. Now what it's going to do is it's going to show you the main image, and then it's going to show you with the background removed. It's going to do this, it's going to go through, and it will remove the background. There we are. Now I'm going to hit down here, and I'm going to be saving that to my desktop. I may as well keep it at that, and hit save. Now, next thing we need to do is we're going to go over to Gimp. Now, if you don't know what Gimp is, it's like Photoshop, but it's free. And I'm going to click on that, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go over here to where it says File, scroll down to where it says Open, and then I'm going to find my Crazy Hands. Oh, look at that. Highlighted right there. How good is that? Now, I could waste time and remove those things just there, but I don't think I'm going to bother. Now, let's remove this just here. Okay, now what we need to do, first thing we need to do is go over here to this right section just here. I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to go down to the bottom here where it says Alpha 2 Selection. I'm going to click on that. Now you see what's happened. It's given me an outline around my entire body. Now another thing I need to do is I need to go over here to the Select tool, and I need to go down here to where it says Grow. I'm going to click on that, and I've already made it set for 6, so I would suggest around 5 or 6, maybe even 7 is a good size for this kind of image. And we're going to hit OK. Now once we've done that, we need to duplicate this particular image. So we do go over here to this frame just here, and we right click on here, and then we go over here and say duplicate layer. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the bottom layer. We need to click on there, making sure we're on the bottom one. We now go across to the edit tool, and as you can see up here, you've got your foreground and then you've got your background. What we want to do is we want to click on the background color, and to do that we need to go over here to edit and go down here to where it says fill with BG color, fill with background color. We're going to click on that, and as you can see, that has now given me a lovely white outline. Now another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go click on the top one, I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to hit merge down, and it is completely ready to go. Now all we need to do now is upload this, or we need to export this, I should say. Go export. Now I'm going to now take that to my desktop, and instead of saying preview, I'm going to say white background. Yeah, just white background. That'll do. It's an outline. Let's go with white outline. What's with my fingers tonight? There we are. And we're going to hit export. Now that'll export that to my desktop. And we're going to keep that like that. And here we have it. Now, we can use that on things like thumbnails. We can use it on things like, you can actually have a whole bunch of these different kinds of images that you can now use on YouTube. You can use it on whatever images you particularly want to use. As you saw, I used this in my video to show you what I was talking about. Okay, so if you like this video, please remember to smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey guys, and also while you're at it, why not share? Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below as well and let us know what you thought. Okay guys, thanks very much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.